or Electric Motor Division General Motors Corporation Maintenance Instruction Auxiliary Relays Form C Maintenance Instruction 5386 Revision A. Relays cover the maintenance instruction are all the same in the basic instruction are used with a variety of the application figure 1 with a different only with a numbered rating with a contact arrangement operating value with the auxiliary relays operate at 74 volt control circuit with the most case with the contact arrangement is designed to show with a variety of this control circuit with the product operation indicate individual wiring diagrams will indicate with the relay function made to do the simplicity of the construction employing with a minimum of moving parts together with gold diffuse silver alloy contacts dust free with the enclosure of these auxiliary relays provides satisfactory service over the long period of time. Maintenance requirements centered primarily around occasional inspection to qualify the relay for continuous service. Inspection. At the time of the inspection, relay cover should be removed with a contact check for the pitting with the burning. See figure 2 with the low pressure steam, the drive compressor with the blowout with the dust dirt accumulation. Check for accumulation with the metallic dust adhering with the blowout magnets. In the event with a badly burned or pitted contact with apparently relay must be removed from the insulation overhauling. Not fall filed with address relay contacts turn black at the turn in time with a normal operation. This will not impair the relay operation indicated in the servicing. Inspect electrical connection with the tightness of electrical contact with the inspect with the operating coil with the burn discolorization. Check resistance with the coil according to the values given in service data electrically. Inspect with the relay for pickup. And figure 1 shows the typical auxiliary relay. Figure 2 shows a cutaway review of the relay. 1 is one is the coil contact, 2 is the coil contact housing assembly, 3 coil, 4 blowout magnets, 5 wave washer, 6 relay cover, 7 reinforcement post, 8 relay housing, 9 carrier assembly, 10 relay frame, 11 armature spring. Drop out using values tabulated for the data. Movable mechanical parts, relay proper function not apply with lubricating any type of the relay. Disassembly proceed with the after relay cover to remove the entire working method with the relay. Disassemble the relay housing, remove the 2 flat head screws. Terminal side of the relay, large flat head screw with the washer on the decal side of the relay. See figure 2 to remove the armature spring with the carrier assembly relay frame. Be careful to remove the spring with not to shrift the contact chain with the tension string with the relay coil with the wave washer can now be remove the relay coil with the remove the relay unsoldered with the 2 coil lead with the terminal Y and Z with a 100-watt soldering iron. If careful, assemble the contact housing assembly both with being replaced. No further under soldering is necessary in the event either one with the assembly being replaced. It will be necessary with the unsoldered with the leads connected to the individual terminals to separate with the carrier assembly for the contact housing assembly. Reassembly proceed with the reassembly relay with the following reverse order with the disassembly. Make certain all of the parts clean thoroughly before reassembly. The armature spring should have the free length with the measuring of the 1 and 1.42 1,000 of an inch stretching to 1.646 thousand of an inch. 1.5 pound with the loaded by 10 plus or minus 10%. Soldering resin core with solder only. Do not use the acid core solid nor will they use more solder than necessary to make the good electrical connection. Make certain locating with the tab for the coil frame fit into the hole with the relay housing, thread hole in the core with the line with the hole housing to secure with that coil for the frame assembly, relay housing with the flathead screw with the lock washer. Chicken adjusting relay contact pressures. Replace pan head screw with the hole to cover the accurate locating contact housing assembly during checking and adjusting procedure. Do not install the relay cover. The test has been made. Check the pressure required for the only knob. Open all normally closed contacts with a gram gauge for 150 range. Check with it can be made with connecting normal closed contact with a series with a simple low voltage 6-volt lamp circuit. Reading should be taken with the position of the lamp. The energized place for the probe with the gauge up the close with a movable contact. See figure 3 with a minimum reading of 40 grams acceptable before contact opening. Figure 3 shows the location of gauge probe, fixed contacts, movable contact, location gauge probe properly mesh for the relay contact pressure. DC voltage approximately 2 to 3 volts above the rated pickup the voltage inside the relay coil. Check the pressure required to open all of the contacts closed with the coil. The energy of the minimum reading of 40 grams should be attained with the test. If the minimum reading of 40 grams is not attained with the contact brush, assembly will have to be adjusted using bending tool to describe in figure 4, making with a gradual adjusting allowing length for the contact brush. Assembly do not make any sharp crease. Bending and assembly when the making correction on the pressure reading with a normally closed contact with the effect with the pressure reading with the contact closed with the coil with the energy of the air. All contacts should be rechecked whenever the adjusting is made. Figure 4 example of the relay adjusting tool. Check for the air gap between the normally open contacts between the open contacts of the relays. Energy of the air gap should be 45,000 minutes. Check for the travel gap. The center of the relay core with the air assembly of the travel gap should be 38,000 minimum. See figure 2. Pick up the drop up volt test voltage. Order make up the pick up the drop out. Check with vary with the DC voltage supply. Should be connect with the relay coil. See figure 5 with the schematic wiring. Test up and set up the proper reading of the various operating voltages will found when the server the data. Figure 5 shows suggested test setup 50 watt pot DC voltmeter relay under test indicator lamp 5 to 6 volt 66 volt DC positive negative indicator lamp at the time relay under test DC voltage. You set maximum relay operating voltage. See with the 50 watt potentiometer shown figure 5 with the maximum resistance and gradually for the voltage applied with the coil. The indicator lamp connect with the cross of the contacts marked with the pickup of the dropout point. Slowly reduce the applied voltage to determine the dropout point, but the indicating lamp will go out when the point is reached. If the pickup dropout point is not obtained with the service data section, check lead arrangement, contact pressure for the carrier or carrier travel gap to readjust the necessary. Check with the armature spring with the be sure with a good condition that it meets specification outlined previously in the instruction. Check with the be sure with the carrier assembly positioned properly with the contact arms of the stand with between the blowout magnets manually can for the carrier with the necessary. So relay cover the removing the pan head screw with the assembly to cover the relay using the same screw with the screw cover housing. Relay should be cycled at 20 to 5 to 50 times within 6 volt with a 4 milliamp load. Testing lamp connected across each set with contacts above the contact should be accomplished on each cycle or the relay must be reworked. Service data parts contact interlocks and operating coil resistance at 25 degrees Celsius ohms, operating voltage at 25 degrees Celsius, working pressure max pickup and dropout. Armature spring feed length strength stretch length contact pressure contact air gap high pod data 60 cycles coil the ground coil the contact the ground. Alright, that was Electric Motor Division, General Motors Corporation Maintenance Instruction, Auxiliary Relays, Form C, Maintenance Instruction 5386.